Okay, we have a Haas 5-axis horizontal machining center model ES5-4T. Machine has a 40 by 15 table as well as a HRT 210H 8-inch rotary table. So you have a rotary platen and rotary table. It's a Cat 40 with 8,000 RPM spindle, 24 ATC. You have RENISHAW probing, and we're going to run it for you.
2,500.
Right now we're running at 2,500 RPM. 5,000. Machine's nice and quiet.
6,500.
6,500 RPM. All right.
No change.
To change. All right, again, it's a 24 ATC. Removing the x-axis. X-axis travel is 40 inches. Again, it's a 40 by 15 platen. All right. You have 18 in Y and 22 in Z. That's your column travel. There's your Z. All the axes are quiet. And that's your B rotary. Or whatever axis that rotary is. And then you also do have the platen. It's original paint. I'm going to go around, take a look at the control. You also have a remote jog handle. Again, the machine was new in 2008. It's original paint. Nice and clean. Does have chip auger. That's your ATC. Hey, thank you for watching our video. Serial number 2052960.